These pancakes called chilla or Vibibi make my heart sing. They're so good, and the best part, they're gluten-free. Start with some coconut milk. Oh yeah, they're dairy-free too. And I've got some rice that I soaked overnight, and the next day you want to wash it really well until the water runs clear. The goal here is to turn your rice into a smooth batter, and for that we need a blender. Pour all your rice into the blender, and I hope you've got a strong blender. You'll need it for this recipe. Top it off with coconut milk. So I used about 2 cups of rice. You want to add 1.5 cups of coconut milk, and if it's too thick, add another half a cup. I also add raw sugar, some coconut powder, it just makes it extra special, some instant yeast, and cardamom, very important. Close her up and turn your blender on. You want to blend this for at least 8 to 10 minutes to make sure your mixture is really smooth. So after 10 minutes, I was happy with my batter. And at this point, all I do is cover it and leave it aside for an hour. Let's not waste dishes and let it rise. So while that's rising, I'm making my little sauce. And in a pan, I'm adding coconut milk, as well as sugar, surprise, some cornstarch. This is going to help thicken things up a bit, make it nice and saucy. About 2 teaspoons is plenty here. And some cardamom. I mean, you could use cinnamon too if you want, but I feel like cardamom makes it extra special. Now you want to keep whisking this as it cooks so that no lumps form. And once your mixture has thickened slightly, you can then switch it off, and at that point, just let it cool down. So it's been about an hour, and my batter is bubbly and nice, and it's risen a bit, so we're ready to cook. Add your batter gently into a hot pan, medium hot, and you want to cover it. And then cook both sides of your pancake. That's all there is to this recipe. Once you've cooked all your pancakes, all that's left to do is add a little sauce, and if you like, you can also top it up with mango or any fruit you find. I didn't find mango, and enjoy. Oh, and these babies, they're gonna stay soft until the next day.